Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, here with another driving video. So we're on Waltham Park Road, heading to the direction of 3 miles, heading to the direction of Hagley Park Road. So put on your seatbelt, grab a seat, and let's take a drive together. So we just passed Jomo Auto right here on the Waltham Park Road. Road is not in the best of condition, but can go on. If you're new to the channel, remember to like, remember to leave a comment, and remember to subscribe as well. That's the cheapest, easiest way to support the channel, because it's free to subscribe. So another driving video for you guys until we get back a drone. We're gonna do as much driving videos as we can, just so that the channel can keep going, So we're approaching the stoplight for Waltham Park Road and Bay Farm Road. So that's where we're at. There's a popular guy here that makes beds and mattress. Probably you guys glimpsed him before. Stoplight now. So this is for Bay Farm Road and Waltham Park Road. And then we have, I think this place is called the Rim Genie. So I think they specialize in rim repair and that sort of stuff. Waltham Park is mainly commercial. A few very older type houses, but it's very commercial, from car mart, hardware, auto parts, mechanic shops, bedding, wholesale. Yes, it's mainly commercial with just 1 or 2 very older type homes, which in due time we know is gonna be bought out and converted to something commercial as well. Whenever it rains though, Waltham Park is a literal river, because the drain is so poor. Down these sections, water is very, very high. So because it's a bit downhill coming from up the Moline side, coming down, it's constant downhill. All the water from everywhere run along the road and turn it into a river. So whenever it rains super, super heavy, you don't want to be in Waltham. So if you're watching and you're familiar with these places, you used to work on Waltham, you used to even live on Waltham, you used to play on Waltham back in the days, just let me know in the comments. Alright, so we're approaching now the intersection for, so this is a residential over there. Not sure if you guys can see it properly, so it's very old. You know, funny thing, person's probably still in there settling, living. Right, so approaching the intersection for Hagley Park Road and Waltham Park Road. And then we're gonna go over the 3 miles bridge. We're gonna go over it and then we'll basically end the video there. So it's just a quick drive from Waltham Park Road to basically 3 miles. Now the funny thing about this stoplight that we're at, there is no right filter to bring you onto Hagley Park Road to head to 3 miles. So sometimes a lot of traffic is out here because of that. Not sure why they don't put in one. It's kind of weird, but yeah. So you have to wait for a blight. Got a blight, so now we're on Hagley Park Road heading into 3 miles direction. And as we know, 3 miles had a major innovation. Now it's 4-lane smooth road, the road works, and it integrates into the 3 miles bridge and overpass. Very major project. Again, there's a lot of videos on the channel, drone video, all type of video covering the construction of this overpass. So we're going over the bridge for 3 miles, and as I said, once we clear the bridge, I'll probably just end the video there. From up here you'll be able to see the wharf and all the ships coming in, all the containers and the whole port, so you can see all of that from up here. Lots of shipments coming in. Alright, so this can bring you to Portmore if you take the right. If you take the left, it brings you to downtown. We have the Tinsupen Airdrome in the vicinity as well. So we're gonna make a U-turn because we're not going Portmore. So if you take the right, you will be going to Portmore. We're going into 3 miles. So again, guys, as usual, thanks for watching, thanks for clicking, thanks in advance for subscribing as well. Really appreciate you guys. Really love the support from you guys. Definitely see you guys on another driving video.